Hello everyone, welcome back to Archangel RC. I know it has been a while since my last video, but with good reason, and that will definitely be a video of its own. Now, first things first, you may have already noticed something different in the intro this time, and that is because I now have sound to go along with my animation, and I would like to thank Matthew Ray for it. Link to his YouTube channel is here and also in the video description below. Matthew made the sound clip of his own volition and sent it to me, and it just so happened to be exactly what I had envisioned that it should be, so I am using it first chance I get and will be from now on. Thank you, Matthew, I really do appreciate it. Now, onto the flight at hand. Following the rather disappointing flight from the previous R-Wing Pro video, I was determined to go out to my regular tried and tested flying field and see if the issue was with my system or with the location. It wasn't a sunny day like before, there was a thick cloud cover and sadly, not the kind I like, as there were no openings to get through without having to actually go through the clouds. Following another perfect takeoff, the R-Wing Pro was off and the test was underway. I did go higher as well, and yes, I guess I could have stayed under the clouds as they were plenty high for my testing needs, but do you seriously expect me to be this high, just below them and not to try to get on top? I don't think so. This would be combining the pleasant with the useful, which is even better. So I went through them. And sadly for the rest of the flight, I flew pretty much blind because the pilot camera never did clear up, but at least the OSD overlay on the video was clear as day. Luckily, the DJI Osmo Action fared better and did clear up eventually, and the view, even obstructed by some residual water, was awesome. I only wish the lenses on both cameras were clean. Guess I will have to invest in some of that water repellent nanotech spray coating thing and see if that improves the water runoff in such situations. Would have been a lot better. But anyway, I had absolutely perfect video throughout the flight, and mind you, I did make it about the same distance out, but was higher and through obviously very wet clouds, which I take it to mean it was not my gear but rather the location that was the issue last time. So seems like there is something at that spot or in the direction I flew in that was messing my video up, and I am going to have to investigate because I really do think some nice flights can be had there, and it would be such a waste if one more location that is close to me is unreachable due to some interference from an unknown source. Recently, I have been playing around with a 1.2 GHz video system on the Mars plane, but again, that will also be in its own video. I may try and test it in these conditions to see if it will fare better than the 5.8 GHz one, but all in good time. Until then, if you have found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe if you haven't already, and also consider commenting or in any other way engaging with it, as it helps it get seen more and helps my channel grow. Using any of the affiliate links in the description below to purchase anything from those websites will help support this channel at no additional cost to you. Another way you can support me is Patreon, the link is also there, and I would like to express my eternal gratitude to all the people who have supported me so far in any way and will continue to do so. I wish you all successful flights, and I will see you in the next video.